In this video, I'm going to show you how to save scaled OS maps from Geohive's National Mapping Agreement. This video is geared specifically for Republic of Ireland students, however Northern Ireland and the UK have similar services and the process is basically the same. You can then import these maps to Photoshop to edit for your studio projects or just send them straight to the plotters. Let's get to it. Once you've logged onto the NMA user, you want to click Make Your Map from the banner along the top. Next, scroll to find the location that you want to capture your map of. You don't want to zoom too close so that you have a better sense of what your map's going to display on the final output. When you're ready, click the printer icon in the top right corner. In the Layout tab, there are 3 options to choose from, but for this video we're going to focus on the Map Only option. A3 and A4 maps aren't practical as architecture students, so just forget about these. There's a number of formats that you can save your final output as. I'd recommend PDF as it's the easiest one to save and work with on Photoshop. Open the Advanced drop-down menu and here you'll be able to input the map dimensions that you want. The Map Scale option will produce a map at the same scale as it is currently displayed on your browser window. The Map Extent option will produce a map exactly as it is displayed by the confines of your browser window. Clicking the Forced Scale will allow you to select any scale that you like. The map dimensions are measured in pixels, not millimeters, so we're going to use Photoshop to figure this conversion out. If you don't have Photoshop, then click the link in the description to download my free pixel conversion table. DPI is also important as it determines the final resolution of your map. Here we are in Photoshop and I've just opened the new A1 landscape document. Over on the right you have page details and these 3 grey boxes are what we're going to focus on. First, this page is 300 DPI, which is the same thing as PPI. Since I'm going to be bringing my saved map onto this template for editing, I'm going to use this DPI for the OS map input. To transfer the millimeter units of this page to pixels, just open the drop-down tab and select pixels. You can see that an A1 landscape is 9933 by 7016 pixels, so we'll bring those measurements into our OS map. Double check your scale, dimensions and resolution, and when you're happy, click Print. Once it's loaded, open it up and download it from the top right corner. I've already got one downloaded in this folder, so I'm just going to overwrite that file now. Back in Photoshop, we're going to open the A1 template and bring our new map into it. Make sure you have colour selected here and not grayscale. Drag that over to the template and you'll see that it fits perfectly. Now that you know the process, you can repeat these steps for any size of page. And don't forget to click the link in the description for your free map scaled conversion table to help you with any of your mapping needs in your studio projects. And click here to see my last video about site analysis, and if you find this video helpful then consider liking and subscribing for more videos to get you through your architectural education. Thanks. Slán.